Good afternoon, everyone. So I wanted to do one more video showing you the final product of the HFA Ansuz Pendulum. This is the box that it comes in. It is a beautiful wooden box that protects not only the unit, but also has a fully functional pendulum map inside that allows you to get answers to very fast things, and I'll show you this in a minute. This one is custom designed, again, with rune symbols that go around the inside. There's 12 of them. So the new unit is significantly more adapted and intuitive than the last version that you saw. So if you look inside the crystal here, we have two universes, one on the top and the bottom, and then a nucleus of an atom with the protons around it. Then we have the rune symbols now on the silver area. These are Nordic runes. We also have added a crystal on the bottom. So if you were to drop the pendulum, you're not gonna break the crystal. It's actually embedded pretty deep in there. And of course, the counterweight now also has all of the rune symbols on there. So this here is the same version that is in the box. This is an accessory that may or may not make it into the final product. I'm just not 100% sure yet. So to kind of just show you quickly how this works, I'll put this over the top. Clear yourself. So you'll see it moving backwards and forwards over yes. Stop. Is my name Derek? And you'll see how it slides over to no. Stop. Am I the modern day mystic? See how fast that really starts to swing? It's very incredible how these are working. And again, although I'm designing this, it's actually something that I've never really known much about. But pendulums are incredible for everything from manifesting to clearing energy to healing to getting, answers out of the etherical about a whole wide range of different topics. And this one is just completely, it's just beautiful. It's very well balanced and it feels great. The energy in it's just absolutely amazing. So this is coming to a reality near all of us soon, folks. Stay tuned. Thank you.